Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check in Frontier Airlines. Now to do this, first of all go to your App Store or Play Store and search here Frontier Airlines or simply Frontier and let it load completely, and this app will come in front of you called Frontier Airlines. So simply download this app on your Android phone or your iPhone and go back to this app. And once you're in the app, you will see multiple options. And as you can see, this option already booked your trip, add or manage trip or check in. And simply click on check in option. And once you click on check in, you will see this option, enter your confirmation code and last name. So just enter your last name. So just I have, let's say, my last name Vic, let's say, and the confirmation code. So you will find this confirmation code in your email. As you can read, you may find your confirmation code in your confirmation email. So check your email, enter the confirmation code, your last name, and click on search. And once you click on search, you will be able to check in Frontier Airlines. So that is a simple process of how you can do it.